Jai Badri Vishal. Currently, we are in a place which is called as the Pandukeshwar. It is en route the Badrinath temple. This Pandukeshwar is a very special place on the banks of river Alakananda and is the birthplace of the Pandavas. So all the five Pandavas, Pancha Pandavas, they took birth in this area. Three of them were born to Kunti Maharani and two of them were born to Madri Devi. This happened when Pandu Maharaj, after being cursed by the sage, he came to this area and he was following the principles of Brahmacharya. At that particular time, when he saw certain sages ascending to the higher realms from this Himalayan region, he requested the sage to ascend. However, the sage mentioned that it was not possible for Pandu to ascend to the heavenly kingdom. It was very difficult journey and definitely his wife would not be able to survive. Immediately, Pandu got a desire to beget sons. He requested Kunti Devi, since he could not beget children, he requested Kunti Devi to beget children through the mantras given to her. So she started chanting the mantras, invoked the mantras, requested the devatas, and she got three kids, that is Arjuna, Yudhishthira, Arjuna and Bhima. Later on, Pandu requested Kunti Devi to beget two children for Madri as well. So Madri took the mantra from Kunti Devi and then she begot two sons. That's how five Pandavas were born in this place called as Pandukeshwar. This place is called Pandukeshwar because Pandu Maharaj performed tapasya here and he established the Vigraha of Sri Pandukeshwar. One can have darshan of this area on the route of Badrinath, and inside one can have darshan of Sri Pandukeshwar, Lord Pandukeshwar, who is sitting. This is also the winter seat of Badri Vishal. During the winter time, the Utsava of Lord Badri Vishal come here and they rest.